Hi guys, welcome back to Niger News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gist. Happening today, Baby Naija Chloe is always in the news. And we got she was accused today of having sex behind a school mosque by her secondary school classmates. Remember, Baby Naija Chloe started the year, warning everyone from coming to beg her, from asking for help from her, saying anyone that begs her for anything will die by fire and all that. Only a few days later, she was caught on Instagram begging for clothes and other accessories. And then today, she accused her ex-secondary school classmates of intimidating her in school back then, always teasing her. And then now they are all looking up to her as she's become a celebrity already. Yeah. So one of her ex-secondary school classmates, saw the post and got really upset and decided to bring up a secondary school deed, which was her having sex behind the school mosque. Let's run you through how it all went down. So Big Brother Naija 2018 housemate Chloe has reacted after her secondary school alumni called her out for having sex behind school mosques. If Chloe had known, she wouldn't have taken a swipe at her secondary school classmate, who she accused of bullying her at that time, is yet to die down. Few days ago, Chloe had shared a write-up which read, "A few people tease me in high school and middle school actually follow me on social media, and I just want to say y'all look like fucking mess." Chloe stated that her shade is directed at all LASMOCOM 2019 alumni, who she further described as mad people. Well, this didn't go down well with one of her alleged classmates who took her down memory lane, revealing some of her ugly past. This is what Chloe wrote. Over 600 graduated same year, all in various professions. But because Instagram verification, this one thinks she has made and can shade assets this early morning. Hey, I'm sorry. This quote was actually written by one of the alumni attacking Chloe. Yeah. Let me read it again. Over 600 graduated same year, all in various professions, but because Instagram verification, this one thinks Chloe thinks she has made and can shade herself this early morning. Group chat don't scatter. Apparently, people still remember things about this girl, ranging from dirtiness to sex behind the school mosques. Wow. But let us continue to look away. I just listened to the best voice notes, final nail on the head on this idiot coffee. Also responding to this, the dark-skinned reality show star Chloe defended herself by telling her own side of the story. Hear her. It may seem as though my posts are always a hit back to back on your favorite blog, but I'm so scared of your all lies, and I actually regret not doing that mock thingy some nuthead claimed I did, cause I honestly don't know why I waited that long before I felt the power of the D. How can I wait till uni before I feel the sweetness in the middle? All my aunties lied to me that there's nothing sweet in the middle. Now I'm so pissed. But to those lying, it's your time to shine. Guess a lot of you are mistaking Abirioluwabu Sora to your sister or mother. That ain't my treats. Happy Sunday, people. Yeah, so that was Chloe's reaction anyway to the accusation. But we all know Chloe is a mad. She's a mad person. She's a mad fellow. She does crazy things. Even while in the Big Brother Ninja house, she was the crazy one. She was always up in everybody's faces. She wasn't scared of anyone. She wasn't scared of what people will say. So to me, I won't be surprised if she did that, if she had sex behind the school mocks. She's a crazy person and wants to do crazy things. Yeah. So guys, I don't know what you guys think. But we could discuss it in the comment section if you have anything to add or there's something I'm missing. We could all discuss it. Yeah. So bye for now and until next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on Nigeria News and Entertainment. Have fun.